How to add Navi Federal Card to Apple Wallet. Let's get started. Launch your Apple Wallet app. This is the default app in your device. In the case you cannot find this app in your device, you can head towards the App Store, search for the app Apple Wallet and download it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. Then go ahead and click on this plus option. With that, different available card options will appear. Navigate to the option of debit or credit card. Click on continue. Now from here you are able to add your card. You can scan the card or also you can enter the card details manually. If you want to scan the card, position your debit or credit card in the frame to scan it. With that, your card details will be updated to the Apple Wallet, or else you can click on this option of enter card details manually. Now go ahead and type in your name, then type in your card number. After you type in your card number, click on next. In the next page, you'll need to type in the CVV and expiration date of the card and go through the process. With that, your card details will be updated. So this way you can easily add Navi Federal Card to Apple Wallet. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.